Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go, let's. The 2015 United Kingdom 20 pence coin is a small but fascinating piece of modern British coinage that marks a subtle but important change in the portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II while retaining the much-loved royal shield reverse introduced in 2008. The coin is an equilateral curve heptagon, 7-sided, made of cupro-nickel, measuring 21.4 mm in diameter, weighing 5.00 grams, and about 1.7 mm thick with a plain, smooth edge, dimensions and composition that maintain continuity with the circulating 20p pieces used since 1982. In terms of design, the reverse carries Matthew Dent's segment of the royal shield, the lower right quarter showing the lions and rampants, that was part of the 2008 redesign aimed at creating a unified shield image across several denominations, a design decision intended to modernize the look of everyday coins while preserving heraldic symbolism and easing recognition. The obverse of the 2015 issues is notable because it includes the first circulating coins bearing the fifth definitive portrait of the Queen created by Royal Mint engraver Jody Clark. This highly detailed, incus engraved portrait, showing the Queen wearing the George IV state diadem, coronation diadem, replaced Ian Rank Broadley's portrait during 2015 and is the last portrait of Elizabeth II introduced while she was sovereign. Collectors and catalogs therefore recognize 2015 as a transitional year. Some 20p coins struck in 2015 still show the earlier Rank Broadley portrait while others display Clark's effigy, and both types can be found in circulation and in mint sets, a detail that makes the date more interesting to collectors who track portrait changes. Regarding mintages and issued formats, the Royal Mint produced the usual mixture of circulating strikes plus specialist proof and brilliant uncirculated BU presentation sets for collectors in 2015. The new Clark portrait also first appeared on commemorative and collector issues that year, so you'll see 2015 20p coins offered both as common circulation pieces with fairly high mintage totals and as lower mintage mint set examples that carry premium value to collectors. Typical circulated 2015 20p pieces are usually worth only face value to a few pounds depending on condition, while BU and proof set pieces, and rare error varieties or particularly high-grade specimens, can command higher premiums. For the coin's broader historical context, the 20p denomination was introduced in 1982 to fill a gap in decimal coinage and has seen several obverse portraits of the Queen over the decades. Machen, Makhlouf, Rank Broadley and finally Clark, and the 2008 reverse scheme by Matthew Dent modernized the reverse imagery to form the full royal shield when the circulating denominations are placed together, a clever visual system that links everyday coins to national symbolism. If you're assessing a 2015 20p for collecting or resale, check for the portrait type, Rank Broadley versus Jody Clark, condition, grading, and whether it came from a special proof or BU set. The market values vary. Common circulated 20p 2015s typically trade near face value or a small premium. BU examples and mint set pieces sell for higher prices, and genuine error or unusually high-grade pieces are where significant collector value can appear. Reliable online price guides and specialist coin dealers list current market ranges and can confirm prices for specific condition grades. Finally, beyond the technical specs and collector notes, the 2015 20p is an attractive, tactile coin. Its 7-sided shape makes it easy to identify by touch, while its combination of a contemporary shield reverse and the last new portrait of Elizabeth II introduced during her reign gives the coin both everyday utility